Welcome back. Second round of auditions for Kingfisher Voice of Goa is over. It was held at Tourist Hall Vasco on Saturday. Altogether, 40 contestants participated for these auditions. 3 from Konkani and 3 from English have been chosen as winners of Vasco Auditions Round 2. The next auditions will be held at Hotel Green Park in Mapsa on 28th October.
When I'm down on my knees, that's when I'm close to heaven.
Altogether, 40 singers participated for both Konkani and English auditions. 25 contestants were selected for second round. 9 contestants from English category and 8 from Konkani made it to the semis. 3 each from both the categories were chosen as winners of Vasco auditions. They are, for English, Fraser Fernandez, Akash Naik, Richa Narvekar. And for Konkani, Akash Telugu, Liaquat Sheikh and Kaitan Pereira. This is the 7th year of Kingfisher Voice of Goa. Now, next auditions will be held at Hotel Green Park, Mapsa on 28th October and BPS Sports Club, Madgaon on 30th October. The semi-finals will be held on 6th November at Kesarwal Garden Retreat, Verna. Finals will be held on 12th and 13th November at the SGPDA ground at Madgaon. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
Now news from sports. Heroic win by the Churchill Brothers has maintained Goans at the top position. Churchill Brothers won the prestigious Durand Cup football tournament 2011 on Saturday in Delhi. Churchill defeated Prayag United 5-4 in a penalty shootout. The players landed in the state on Sunday with the Durand Cup. Have a look at the warm welcome to the Durand Cup heroes.
The match was played at Ambedkar Stadium in New Delhi on Saturday. Churchill Brothers defeated Prayag United by 5-4. Prayag United dominated the match in first half, but strong hold of Churchill goalkeeper Felix D'Souza turned their efforts futile.
Zakir और बहुत ही आसानी से प्ले और शॉट और इस बार फिर से गए दाईं ओर और गेंद उनके पास और जाया कर गए यूसुफ याकूबू.
Churchill Brothers received a warm welcome at the Dabolim airport on Sunday afternoon. Here is the team's reaction after their victory over Prayag United.
You work too much because to keep this cup. This cup is very, very important because more old cup in Asia. This is very, very important. Third more old in world. This cup is very good start for I-League. Welcome next 22.
You can see, this warmth that we are receiving in Goa is something that's very unique. I have won many trophies in India, but I never felt the way that we are feeling now. It's a big family, not only the players, but the supporters, management. I think all of us congratulate for the team.
We have very good team spirit, we have good leaders and everybody working very hard. We have good coaches to guide us.
A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
Kingfisher Pro League match between Goa Velia Sports Club and Cesar Football Academy turned out to be a draw. The 6th round match was played at Tilak Maidan in Vasco on Saturday.
Seza Goa Football Academy and Goa Valley Sports Club both clashed, scoring 1 goal each. Both the teams played well till the end, leaving no scope for either team to go for another score. The scoreboard remained at nil for both the teams in the first half. However, in the later half of the match, both the teams scored a goal each. Here are some of the glimpses of the match. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.